go, buddy. That's it. Back around.
Arm out the window. Is he lost now? No, he's right.
Oh, nearly. Oh, go, reverse.
Oh, it's up. It's alive. Dollar in the jar.
That was so close.
That's good.
Alright, when people come back into the garage, you're going to be sideways, so you have to get ready to stand up. Everyone in here, alright? Yeah, no, serious.
Yeah.
Because they're going to be fucking coming in quick and sideways.
Should we move?
Just move the chairs front.
We'll just have a look, see how this photo is.
Yeah. Come in easy.
Can't come in that
I
way.
just tell them to come in easy when you're coming back in.
Yeah, because they're going to listen to
New policy, when you come around this cone, you've got to have your hand out the window. For photos, alright?
Now this for everybody watch now, alright? When it comes in, it's
well.
going to be hot as.
Yes!